friends, and we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to see your recent followers on your Instagram profile, so let's go to the watching. First and foremost, we need to open our Instagram app, and as you can check, we are on our profile page. So the best way to check your new subscribers is to open the followers section, the list of everyone who subscribed to you, and check the names on this list, the first accounts. But remember that this option is available only on your personal profile, so you cannot check new subscribers of someone else's account in this way. And right now I will show you how this option really works and how to check it. So we have two different accounts. This is our first one, default, and I will use another one to follow myself. So I will go to the search section and find myself to follow back. Now let's check if I can see my recent followers in this way, as I said before. So I need to open my followers section here at the top of the screen. And as you can see here, we have the name of my last follower. This is my second account. So in this way, this is very convenient way to check my recent followers. But remember that this option is only possible for you to manage your personal profile, to see your followers, and to get access to your analytics. But you cannot see the recent followers of another profile in this way. So guys, I hope that this tutorial, which was very short, but I hope that it was useful and needful. Don't forget about likes, and also subscribe to this channel to find out later even more cool tricks in Insta and other apps. And good luck to everyone. Bye bye.